Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the puzzle page of the weekend edition Saturday, June the 22nd, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles. The Sudoku with 4 stars and the Killer Sudoku, so two puzzles remain. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And this one, yes, you are interested in the binary puzzle, and this one particularly with 4 stars. Yeah, with 4 stars. 4 stars binary. 10 by 10. Okay. This one will be number 8771. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits, and I've told you it's a 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. There's a lot of O's. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Between the O's comes an 1. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O, this should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are ones. Double one, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O, this should be a 1. Alright, and now double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are ones. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. That box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are ones. Then, between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, and I know between an O and a 1, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5, the 5th O. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. That box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. And now, let me think. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here, the fifth O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright, and now we have 4 columns not completed, and here we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, the fifth O, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this came in O, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay, if I place the fifth O here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this came in O, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct in 6 minutes. Well, we solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it all solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.